What's up, all you linear friction welding fanatics? Frank here. Today's video is linear friction welding some titanium we did for a customer. It's about 0.25 square inches. We stuck out about roughly about 3/16, and it's really a cool weld. We slowed this way down, so we wanted to look how the amplitude looked up and down, and in doing so you're going to see a lot of micro sparking that occurs that you might not see. These welds are so fast. It's approximately about 1 second in real time, and we slowed it down. So happy 4th of July on this one. Take a look at it. Well, it's really not the 4th of July, but tell me those weren't some fireworks. Titanium really welds well using linear friction welding. We've done many welds, and really it's tough to do a bad weld. So give us a call. These are full interface solid state bonds. Our goal obviously is always to look at saving our customers money, providing good quality and good quality machines. So stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.